Hello there. So this is just a quick video I'm making to just showcase the elevator asset I made. I made it in Blender, 3D modeled it, did my best to use part topology where possible. Yeah, so you can just download for free using the link in the description below. Just like in Blender, you can use the sliders to open and close the door. So you can also use it on the negative side or the positive or negative for both sides of the door. Let me just hide the door over here. As you can see, the button structure, the button layout is the exact same as it was in Blender. If you look inside, there's a painting over here. I hid the other painting texture because I don't want to get demonetized from YouTube or anything. See, those same arrows are still there. So switch over to filament PBR. So this is what it looks like default in filament PBR. You can just go over here to material presets. You can apply a material preset to the door, and you can apply material preset to the elevator. Just make it look a little bit different. Because there is, of course, the option of like putting the elevator parts one by one, if that's something that you're into. Personally, I just like using the scene subset to load in the elevator. Because if we turn on NVIDIA iRay, let's just load it up. So it looks like in NVIDIA iRay, the arrows glow, of course. The metal is reflective. The lights inside light up. The nice thing, of course, if you want more lights, you can just select more spots and then press the light. Okay, I just like how it gets slow when I'm using iRay due to the fact that I only have like 2 gigabytes video RAM, but whatever. We'll get a new PC at some point. Go on emission color, set it to white. Do you want to make the wall backlit? Nah. As for the luminous units, you can either use the CDM squared if you like. Personally, I like using watts. I find watts to be a lot brighter. You can also select over here the backup lights, just in case it's not bright enough for you and you just want to add a little light. Just click over here, change the emission color from black to white, then change from CDM to the power 2 to just watts. Yeah, you can change the watts value if you want, or you could also change the emission color of the lights. It's up to you to do whatever you really want with this scene. So yeah, this is basically just the Love Hotel, part of the Love Hotel expansion set. This is just the elevator from the Love Hotel expansion 2. It's free. There'll be a link to download it in my link tree. You can find it either in the description, the channel description. Yep. Next tutorial is about the rest of the Love Hotel expansion 2 environment. Thank you for watching.